back to my channel. I'm Holly and I am so happy you have joined me for another unbagging, got it right this time, of Nadine West. Now I've had this bag for a couple of days, so I need to get into this bag so I can get it the heck on out of my house and get it back to them so that they don't charge me for the whole stinking bag, because Lord knows I ain't keeping the whole stinking bag. I never do, because I'm cheap, and that's the God's honest truth. So let's get into this bag. Here it is in all its glory. I have not opened it. We need to find out what's inside of it. So if you don't know anything about Nadine West, it is a clothing subscription. Oh, let me put it this way. An affordable clothing subscription service that you can get every 2 weeks and or monthly. And every time I try to go in and say, please stop sending this bag to me, they've already got one out in the mail to me. I no sooner get it out of my door and put it in a mailbox. They have one already in a mailbox coming to me. I still have it in my hands and they're mailing me one. So I'm like, I don't know. That's craziness, but so anyway, it's $9.78 a month, and the $9.78 goes to anything that you want to keep in the bag. Now, if you don't keep anything in the bag, you unfortunately lose that $9.78. You can roll it over once, but that's it. Only one time. Anyway, so you do get a self-addressed prepaid mailing. You stick it on the bag, send back anything you don't want. And don't lose it, because if you do, well, if you don't get another one. Well, you might can, but. And then here's a packing list, everything that's in our bag. Here's our 2 bundles. There's a lot of dark clothing in there. Once again, so depressing, right? I know. Let's open it up anyway. Come on, Nadine West. Do something for me, please. I need a little. I just finished my mix and match box and I'm depressed. Let's go. Let's see. Why so much black? Did I get all the fall leftovers again? Oh, I have so many of these tops. It has this is a gray, I think. Yeah, it's gray. I thought it was black. It has the rounded hem. Short sleeve, nothing fancy schmancy, just a t-shirt. I love a t-shirt. Nothing fancy schmancy, just a nice t-shirt. And then we have another, no, oh, I didn't tell you who that was from, did I? Hippie Chick, that's who it's by, Hippie Chick. I like their shirts. This one is Zenana Outfitters, and it is another t-shirt, V-neck, short sleeve. Looks to be like a coral, or a coral, charcoal gray, just a plain t-shirt. One you can honestly get at Walmart for probably $5.88. And it's probably on here, it's probably $24.99. Honest to goodness, probably is. Nothing fancy schmancy about that one either. And then we have another t-shirt. I am just hitting the t-shirt lottery today. And this one is by Popular 21. I've never heard of them. And it's an extra large. All the shirts are extra larges. And it is another t-shirt. You guys would have never guessed that, right? I knew. And it is a 3/4 sleeve, maybe? Red, see-through, baseball tee, rounded hem. Nothing fancy schmancy there either. I hit the t-shirt lottery today. Oh boy, Nadine West, you're killing me. Here's the second bundle. I know, I'm just a barrel of laughs today. Okay, it looks like we have some bottoms to go with the tops. Get out. And jewelry. They keep sending me jewelry, I don't know. All right, let's look at the bottoms. I can't believe I got 1, 2, 3 shirts and 2 bottoms this time. I am impressed. Oh, I love the bottoms. I do. I love these bottoms. These are so baby soft, I swear. They are the nicest bottoms. They are beautiful. And they are really popping on camera, but here they look so dull here. They're showing up black on camera, but they are brown. Oh, wait. Yeah. The front is black and the back looks brown. That is so weird. The back and front they're entirely different on camera. It's so weird. But these are from, Leggings Depot. And they are size extra large, I believe. Come on, tell me what size you are. Size, oh Lord, that's small. It just says plus size, I don't know if it's plus size. But they are from Leggings Depot. They are not bad. Nothing, just regular leggings. And then we have some very pink pants. Size extra large, very, very pink pants. I have never gotten pink pants from Nadine West. Oh my God. Oh my Lord, I cannot believe I just got pink pants. Oh good God, I'm sorry. I have never, oh my goodness, I hope they look better on than they do. I mean, oh, for real. They remind me of them one leggings that they sell at Walmart that have like the pockets drawn on them. I mean, these don't have the pockets drawn on them, but they're just, sorry. I cracked myself up. Yaletti, I think that's what that says. Yaletti. I can't tell what it says. I think it says Yaletti. I don't know, but they're showing up like hot pink on camera, but they're really not hot pink. But there's them. I have a feeling they're gonna be too big on me, but we're gonna see. Look at the tag. The tag is like all buggered up. Color is fuchsia. So, and they are definitely, I just don't think they're gonna look good on me. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh Lordy help me. All the pockets work. They are definitely not drawn on, painted on, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's look at the jewelry. Now as a rule, I generally do not keep the jewelry because I don't normally change my jewelry out, so we're gonna look at the jewelry. Oh goodness gracious. All right, well that's pretty cool jewelry. That is a necklace. Duh, like you couldn't have told. I'm losing my mind today, but there's the necklace. That is pretty. I do like it, but it is pretty long. Wonder if I can fit it over my fat head. Oh, like you can see it with all this stupid hair. There. You probably still can't see it. Yeah. It's okay. I don't change my own necklace. I usually wear the same thing all the time. Then I won't lose it, right? It's always on my neck. And then we have a pair of earrings. There's nothing cheap in this box, I'll tell you. I do like the earrings though. They're long and dangly earrings. Wait, let me hook that on there. It says Rue 27. Is that 6 doors down from Rue 21? I know, I'm being a smartass. It's okay. Here we go. They are cute, aren't they cute? I think that they're cute. They're really long. You wouldn't be able to see them in all this doggone hair of mine. I like them. I think they're cute. California Proposition 65. Not for children under 14. They are cute though. All right. Let's try these clothes on. We'll see what we think of those. We won't be trying the earrings on because I'm weird like that, so somebody else's earlobes have had them on, so I'm not trying them on. All right, be right back with the try-on. Them pink things. They are not, they don't even have a zipper, they're pull-on. Oh goodness. All right. Don't say I didn't warn you. I can't stop laughing about them. They're killing me. So here's the crisscross top. There's the, I mean, I have so many of these shirts. I have a lot of these shirts. I mean, it's just, you've seen one, you've seen them all, right? But it's kind of, I don't know, it's weird. All right, well, there's that shirt. It is, fits good, as usual. And then here's these weird pants. They're okay, I mean. They're just leggings? Jeggings? Is that what you call them? Jeggings? Is that what they are? I think they're jeggings. I think that's what they are. Yeah. They do have pockets though, so I guess, I don't know. They're just a bright pair of pink pants, that's all. I just can't get over the color. I think if they were a different color, I might not mind them as much, but they're just really bright. Okay, I'm gonna change my shirt. The V-neck top. This one fits pretty good. It's just a V-neck top. I mean, I wish I could say more about them, but they're just plain t-shirts. I mean, you know, and these damn pink pants. They're killing me with these pants. I don't know, they're just weird looking pants. The button don't, yeah, yeah, there you go. I don't know. I can't with these pants. All right, I'm gonna try on the last. Ow, ow, oh Jesus, that hurt. Okay, these two look cute together. So here's the leggings and the baseball tee. I think these two colors look cute together. I think they look cute together. Oh, whew. All right, so here's the t-shirt. I think this is a cute outfit, and if I kept anything, it would be this outfit right here. So here is, whoa, the leggings. I think these things are so soft, very soft leggings. I love these leggings. The leggings are always so soft to make my butt look big. It's big anyway. Don't need anything to make it look any bigger. But anyway, I do like this outfit. The leggings are very cute. I like them. And this is very lightweight. It could be a good workout, you know, gym outfit. It's nice. I don't mind it. Cute. Very cute. Okay. Now we're gonna talk prices. Okay, let's talk about prices, because we all know in the end, the prices are the only thing that really matter when it comes to keeping clothing from a clothing box. Nobody wants to pay the most that they can pay. We all want to pay the least that we can pay. I don't care who you are. You don't want to pay the most at all. I don't care. Anyway, so the jewelry, I don't keep it anyway, unless there's nothing in the clothing that I don't like. Then I will keep the cheapest jewelry and give it away. So that's just how I do it. Anyway, the earrings, the earrings are $16.99. They have lost their damn mind. No. And the necklace, you're not gonna believe, is $25 for that necklace. No, I wouldn't. I would just lose the $9.78. That is just ridiculous. Okay, so now we are going to start with those leggings. Are cheaper than the damn necklace. The leggings are $19.99. That is not a bad price for those. I do like the leggings. And the, where are those pants? Those one pants, the fuchsia full length bottoms are $27.49. They're so overpriced. They are screaming, please, please knock me down because I need to be priced lower. These have been tried on so much. They are so stretched out. It is not even funny. They need to mark these down because they are so stretched. They have no more stretch to them. So I think that when they get these back, they need to consider marking them down on clearance. They're just too stretched out for me. I wouldn't pay almost $28 for these. There's no way. I wouldn't. They have, even the tag says, I've been around the block a time or two. So these are going back and some other sucker can buy them because it wouldn't be me. I wouldn't pay $28 for them. Never mind, I can't keep a straight face when I have them on. So they can just go back to whence they came. Anyway, let's see here. All these, all right. This top, the red, okay, this one, this top is $25. They didn't lost their mind again. Hell no. The V-neck t-shirt is $11.99. That's not a bad price for the V-neck t-shirt. Although you can go to Walmart and get one for, like I said, $5.88. Not kidding, you can. Everybody knows that. And this black crisscross top is $25.50. This is a very expensive box. So when I figure out the price, the total price of this box, which I'm going to take like a rough guesstimate. My goodness, it's got to be 150, 160 bucks. They don't even give you a discount if you buy the whole bag. They don't even give you a discount like Stitch Fix or anybody either. So I probably will only end up keeping the leggings and the V-neck t-shirt. That'll probably be the only thing that I keep. So that's it, my friends, and hopefully I can catch them before they send me another damn bag, because I get so many clothing boxes. I just want to take a break. I need a break from Nadine West at this moment, so that I do. So I probably will only be keeping these two items, and maybe not even the t-shirt. I might just send the t-shirt back, or I may just keep the t-shirt and send the leggings back. So that is it, my friends. I will see you in my next video real soon. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because there's more craziness where this came from. And I hope that you will hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in my next video. I need to go take a nap or something. Oh, it's gonna be a long week. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Bye now.